Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirsten if you guys are new here. For this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I curl my hair to look like this. It's super easy, only takes maybe like 15 minutes. I think it's cute, it lasts a while, it lasts like a couple of days for me. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I curled my hair like this, then just keep watching. Okay, so I slept with my hair like wet and in a bun last night, so it's kind of like wavy already. So the first thing I do, no matter like if I just wash my hair or not, is apply dry shampoo before I start, just because I feel like it makes the curls look better. I'm going to take my Beachy dry shampoo and just spray that, like especially on my roots, just so my hair is like not as like smooth and like the curl will hold better. Just spray this kind of everywhere. And then I just kind of like shake it out. No one of the same. And then I'm just gonna spray some detangular in my hair. I just use this like kid stuff just because my hair gets so tangly, especially since it's been like in a bun. It's literally a rat's nest right now. I'm just gonna spray some of that on there. And then I'm gonna brush it out. I'm just gonna take my wet brush and do that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna section my hair off. I just usually divide my hair into two sections. So I just put the top half up in a bun and then leave the bottom half out. Just makes it easier to get all the pieces. I don't do it like neatly or anything. Sorry, this is like. And then the wand I'm gonna use is this bedhead one, and it's just, I think it's it's either a 1/2 inch or 1 inch, but I will leave it linked down below. It's really good. It's only like $30. I got it from Ulta. So, and I love it just because it gives me like a different look than like a regular wand. And these kind of curls are more like beachy, kind of like natural looking curls, if that makes sense, but like really curly. And I don't know, I mentioned this in my 2018 favorites video, so if you guys haven't watched that yet, you should check it out. I will leave a link for that video down below as well. But yeah, this is a really good curling iron. I love the kind of look that it gives, and it's super cheap, so that's great. And I'm just gonna start by take like little sections of my hair, maybe like, I don't know, like 2-inch sections, maybe 1 inch, I don't know. And I'm just gonna take it and wrap my hair around it. And I alternate the directions just so it looks more natural. I don't curl them all in the same way. So this one I'm like curling away, the next one I'll like curl in, and like you don't have to go in a specific order. I just kind of like whatever I remember to do, I do. And I just leave it on there for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds. And I just take it out and then I like pull it down just so it's not as curly. And yeah, it just gives you like that kind of look. But yeah, and then this one I'm gonna curl towards my face or away. I don't know which is which. Like I don't know which way goes in and which way goes out because they both look like both to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep alternating directions and leaving them on there for a couple seconds. And I do leave like a little piece out at the bottom. I don't know if you can see. And just hold it, pull it. Yep, and I just keep doing that all in my hair. And I go pretty far up, like pretty close up to my head. I don't like start like midway down or anything. I go pretty much like all the way to the top. Hold up. so that's what one side looks like. Like we're gonna go through and like brush them out whenever they're all done and then like fix the bottoms, and it'll look better. It's not gonna look like this the whole time, I promise. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna take a little piece of hair and just go to town. So now that the bottom half is done, that didn't take long, literally took me maybe like 5 minutes. And that's another good thing about this, is it doesn't take long at all. Like I think that like I can pretty much do my hair maybe like 15 minutes. And I know it doesn't look like it, but like I have like kind of a lot of hair. So it's definitely like a quick and easy hairstyle. Alright, so now that the bottom half is done, I'm just gonna put that in a ponytail just so it's not in the way. And then I'm going to take the top half down. And I just need to make sure like my part is good. And then I'm going to brush this out. Okay, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top that I did on the bottom. Let's just take, you know, medium-sized sections of hair and just wrap this around and alternate directions and leave it on for like 5 seconds. This is like my face framing piece, so I'm just gonna make sure that I curl this one away from my face. And it's like falling. Okay, same thing for the other side. Okay, so now that the top half is done, I'm gonna take out the bottom. And now I'm just gonna take like a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna like brush through them. But I'm gonna go like, I kind of like to go through with my fingers a little bit first. Just to kind of like break them up. So they're not so tight, but okay, yeah. So I'm gonna take a comb and just like go through the curls and just break them up, make sure they're not like all attached to each other. Pulling me straight down. And now I'm just gonna kind of like, see how like the top half is kind of flat? I'm just gonna go back in and just pick up like random pieces, maybe like 2 or 3 on each side, and just take this curling iron and just kind of do like the top, just the top half, just so it gives me a little volume on my roots and just leave it for a couple seconds. I'm just gonna do maybe like, yeah, see how it went from that to that. I'm maybe just gonna do like 2 or 3 pieces on each side, maybe 3. Now that I did that, like, see how the pieces on the ends are kind of like straight? I just kind of go back in and touch up like any pieces that I need to, any ones that like aren't that curly. If I left too like long of a strand at the end, I'll just like kind of go back and just, you know, touch it up for like a second just so it's not super straight. Just yeah, and I don't do that to every piece, just ones that stick out. And I just leave it on there for literally like 1 second. Just to give it a little bit to curl. And then I'm just gonna take my comb and kind of like fluff up the top. Like just to give it some more volume. Not like teasing, but like kind of. And then I'm just gonna take some sea salt spray. This is just the OGX Moroccan sea salt spray. I think it's like, if it'll focus, there we go. Yeah, I think this is literally like $6 from like Walmart or like Ulta or something. And I love this brand. So I'm just gonna take this, just put a couple spritz in my hair, just to really hold those curls. I like to use sea salt spray versus hairspray just because I feel like it's not as heavy and it gives it more of like a beachy kind of look. And I'm not gonna put too much, just like a little bit. You know. And I just like to keep kind of brushing it out because the curls still kind of get like tangled up in each other. Okay, and obviously, as you can tell, it's like kind of frizzy. So I'm just gonna take, this is another OGX product. It's just coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist. And I always like to put, if it'll focus, I always like to put some kind of oil on my, like on my hair after I do my hair, whether I like straighten it or curl it, just because like my hair does get frizzy. And because it's oil, I just spray a little bit on my hand, like 4 spritzes, and just like rub it in. And then I'm just gonna go like work it into my hair, just so my hair is not so frizzy. See, that definitely like tamed it a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take like 5 spritz, 4 or 5 spritz, and just work it into my hair. I don't like to put it so much on my roots just because I don't want my hair to look greasy, but like once it's like almost off my hands, I kind of go back and like pat down my roots just because I have like some flyaways, like baby hairs. The good thing about this is it stays literally, like I only ever wash my hair like once or twice a week, and so when I do this, it'll literally like last like 5 days or however long. Like, not kidding, it's like doesn't fall. But this is like one of those things, I like it better like the 2nd or the 3rd day, just because it's not as tight and curly, because like the 2nd or 3rd day obviously it falls a little bit and I think it looks a little better. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is how I like do my hair like this, and it's like really easy, it doesn't take long. Yeah, I really like this. Easy, something different. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave my usernames for those down below, and also check out my other videos. And thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!